Yeah. So this topic is going to be very interesting. So once again, I welcome the member, those who have just joined. My name is Sarvesh Khan. I am a communication coach. I am a corporate behavior change trainer, and I belong to Aurangabad, which is called the light version of Hyderabad also. And today we are going to talk about the sewage water. So let me bring the attention towards the importance of water first of all, as someone said that the World War One, World War Two was fought for the industrialization, and if there is a World War Three, so it could be because of water. So we can understand the importance of water. Water is not only the need of the human being, but each and every living species on this earth is the requirement of water. So in that way, we can understand the importance of water. But how serious we are about water, their usage, and their recycling and the resources we get water from. So today's topic is sewage water. So one by one, I will go to all the panel member and I will try to understand your opinion about sewage water, and you can share your ideas, your views, your experiences, or some survey reports regarding sewage water. So first of all, I will go to Ravi Kiran to know his opinion about sewage water. Yes, Ravi Kiran, what do you think about sewage water, especially in India? Yeah, I agree with your point. More educated people waste more water because due to training we have to travel other cities, and when we stay in the hotels, so most of the time it happens that when we demand the hot water, the hotel owners or managers, they ask us to first of all throw 2 or 3 buckets of water, cold water, then the hot water will come. So definitely the means sophisticated hotels and some corporate houses, they are far more investing water than the rural people. So definitely, I agree with you that awareness is very important, not education. As you all know that this discussion is the part of a wake up call campaign. This wake up call campaign is a national campaign where many people from all over the state have joined together, and every day we are going to discuss on different issues with our rational thoughts and ideas. So today's topic is sewage water in India. Today's discussion is a 41 discussion, and topic is sewage water in India. So now we'll go one by one about this sewage water treatment capacity and untreated sewage water. So untreated sewage water is almost double of treated water. What is your opinion about it? That is really very good platform where we can also join, we can also contribute, and we must appreciate the organization those who are doing in this way. Now we have come to the conclusion of today's discussion. Today's discussion was about the sewage water. This discussion is organized by a wake up call campaign where we have discussed many things about sewage water, its treatment, the reason, resources, techniques, technology, and our panel members have shared their personal experience. Like Gayatri ma'am shared her personal experience where she consulted with the municipal corporation. She convinced them to pay attention toward this. Again, she has shared her experiences, her studies and experiments and survey, whatever she has studied. And Ravi Kiran also had come with some creative ideas. And he suggested if we implement these ideas and techniques, definitely we can increase the treatment of water, as we have seen the ratio of treated and untreated water in India. So here we are going to conclude. Those who are watching us on Facebook or online, I request you all to join our campaign that is called Wake Up Call campaign, and you can also contribute to create the awareness about such social issues. So now we stop here, and I thank all the participants, those who have joined us in this discussion, which was organized by Wake Up Call campaign. Thank you so much. All the best. Good night. Take care.
Good day. Good day.